The electric water gun series brings fun and functionality into your daily life and at hot summer parties. WaterGun Pressure Clean has an extra water hose or camel bag that allows you to wash and rinse your car or bike with a continuous water flow. Connect your garden hose to water plants or splash your friends in a battle. WaterGun Bullet shoots water bullets up to 10 meters away. Instead of manually pumping like the traditional water guns, this electric water gun fills itself automatically. Simply dip the front of the gun into a water source. WaterGun Bullet is filled within a few seconds. The amount of water is indicated in the window on the side of the gun. A full reload shoots up to 30 bullets. WaterGun Pressure Clean has a USB-C rechargeable and removable battery, shooting over 1,000 water bullets in one full battery cycle. Practice your shooting skills in a fun and easy way using only water from a safe distance. Stay tuned for the expansion of the electric water gun series, featuring a soap bubble gun, automatic machine gun, and additional accessories such as flashlights, lasers, scopes, and many more.